I'm Duan. Welcome to PD Tech for another professional guide.
And I'm Peter. You focus on the build, we'll focus on the books.
Learn how to create a bill from an approved purchase order to reduce manual entry. When you create a purchase order, you need to enter a corresponding bill to record the business expense and reconcile the supplier payment. Click Purchases, then select Purchase Orders. From the Approved tab, select the purchase order to bill. If you've received all the items and want to create a finalized bill, click Mark as Billed. Select the checkbox to Copy Purchase Order to a draft bill to save time re-entering the same information. Then, click OK. Xero takes the information entered in the purchase order to create the draft bill. Review and update the details as needed. You can use the Files icon to attach the supplier bill you received. Once you're ready, click Approve. If you haven't received all of the order, but want to create a bill, from the Approved tab of the Purchase Orders page, click to open the purchase order. Click Options. Then select Copy to and select Bill. When the checkbox is selected, Xero will mark the purchase order as fully billed. This option will only show for approved purchase orders. When the checkbox isn't selected, Xero doesn't mark the purchase order as fully billed. Choose whether you need to mark the bill as fully billed, then click Create Draft. Once you've made any necessary changes, click Approve to finalize the bill. Now you know how to save time creating a bill from an approved purchase order to record the business costs and track the amount you owe your supplier.